Hello everyone. So today I'm going to review for you a speaker for listening to music Bluetooth. This is the VidaTeco brand. This speaker is designed in a circular shape and is wrapped all around with a layer of fabric, a kind of velvet, which gives it a very luxurious feel. I have been using this speaker for a while and I have some comments. First of all, I really like the battery life of the speaker because, in my opinion, it can be handled the battery lasts quite a long time. Well, like I'm a ride-hailing driver and I often listen to music while waiting for customers or while driving long distances. So at night I charge it once and leave it in the car and I listen to it whenever I have free time. So about every 2 or 3 days, I only need to charge it again. So in my opinion, the battery is really good. And after a while, whether the battery capacity decreases or not, I don't know yet. And another thing is the sound quality of the speaker. I think it sounds really good. Whether I turn the volume down low or crank it up, the sound still comes out really nicely. That's thanks to the subwoofer system down here. You can see here, this is a 30 watt spec, a big subwoofer down here. It will deliver a warm sound, giving a warm and clear feeling. And this speaker is also water resistant, so you can use it outdoors. Like when you go camping or at the beach, you can use it and it can handle water exposure. So when you need to recharge it, you'll have to open this rubber cover here. Here, inside, there's a Type-C port for charging the battery, a USB port, and a micro SD slot so you can plug in a USB drive to listen to music. And when you're not using it, you should close it up to maintain its water resistance. Up here, there's a set of control buttons. This set of control buttons is used for, you can connect Bluetooth from your phone to this device very easily, and it will automatically remember the connection. So the next time you turn it on, you won't need to reconnect. And up here, there are buttons for things like skipping tracks. Just press to go to the next song. If you're listening to a song and want to switch to another track, just press the skip button. And there's also this automatic color changing LED light system. When you use it in a dark room, the colors it creates look pretty nice. When you use it indoors, the lights come on in this color, and it looks quite nice too. There's just one thing that I don't really like, which is when they use this silk fabric to wrap around it. It looks very stylish, but it seems like it'll get dirty pretty easily. So when I leave it in the car, I'm really careful. I handle it very carefully to avoid dust or dirt sticking to it. It's hard to clean, you know.